We give names to pets, cars, and all sorts of gadgets. Bet you had a whole crew of stuffed animals and toys with cool names as a kid. Names you still remember. Your own name is like the sweetest sound to your ears in the whole universe. So, why not give a name to your air purifier? First off, it's a total blast. And second, it gives it a unique personality. And you craft a whole new story. What about my own air purifier? Meet Josh. He became part of my family half a year ago when I started dealing with allergies. Josh has a killer set of filters, so he is the air cleaning pro in our house. He works super quietly, so he's with me almost 24/7. In the morning, he goes to the office with me, and at night, he has a special spot in the bedroom next to my bed. Plus, he is super handsome and super sleek. Catches the eye of everyone who steps into our house. I'm glad he's here because I feel much better, and I can clearly feel the difference in the quality of the air we breathe. So, that's our story. Have you come up with a name for your air purifier yet? How did you guys meet? Share your story. Don't have an air purifier yet? No worries. Think of a name for it right now and drop it in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and say hi to your air purifier from me.